हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द बिहार टीचर्स हिस्ट्री मेकर्स। मेरा मोबाइल मेरी शिक्षा। आई एम डॉक्टर शोभा कुमारी। टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द पोएम सॉन्ग ऑफ माई सेल्फ बाय वॉल्ट विटमैन। सो नाउ लेट्स start the remaining part. So here are the lines again for the further reading of the poem. Before going further, let me tell you one thing. This poem, Song of Myself, is in 52 parts, and in this book we have to read the section 1 only. So in the first few lines we read about the poet said that he celebrates himself, he sings a song of himself, and he keeps himself, he is busy in himself, he rejoices his life. Then again he says that I loaf and invite my soul. Loaf means to wander about. Wander means to move aimlessly, with no intention, with no aim. If one goes around, this means he is wandering. He says that I loaf and invite my soul. He loafs around because he is free. He is totally free, and along with him, he invites his soul also to loaf around. This means that he is totally free with body and mind, so he wanders around. I lean and loaf. Lean means to take rest with a support. So he says that I lean and loaf at my ease, observing a spear of summer grass. In the summer, while wandering, he observes a tuft of grass, and in that tuft of grass, the blades, which are at the end, the shape is just like a spear. भाला की तरह जो shape होता है, नुकीला. So he observes that grass, summer grass, the spear of that grass blade. It is very pointing. Here the words, according to the word, the meaning is that he observes the grass. But when we go deeper, जब हम और inner meaning की ओर जाएं, तो यहाँ summer grass is very significant. The blades of summer grass it is for the people of America. It shows it has it is a symbol of democracy here. So he says that I lean and loaf at my ease, observing a spear of summer grass. He not only says about the summer grass, but and he mentions summer grass because grass is very easily available everywhere, and he through the blades of the grass, he tries to talk or mention the people of America, mentioning all individual of America. Something which he means by mentioning this grass, he means that a feeling of democracy is there in him. My tongue, every atom of my blood, formed from this soil, this air, born here of parents, born here from parents the same, and their parents the same. He means to say that he is of America, totally of America. My tongue, his tongue, every atom of my blood means एक कतरा मेरे खून का, is formed from this soil. इसी मिट्टी से बना है, इसी धरती की, इसी हवा से, मिट्टी से मेरा कण कण बना हुआ है. And I am born of parents, born here from parents, means he means to say that he is born here of parents, born here from parents the same and their parents the same. He means to say that he is the third generation who is born here on this land of America. So he is totally American. Now 37 years old in perfect health begin. He says that I am at present 37 years old and I am in my perfect health. Begin hoping to cease not till death. और he says that मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ, मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि मैं मेरा कण कण, मेरा एक एक खून का एक एक कतरा जो है इसी मिट्टी इसी हवा से बना हुआ है, और मेरे पेरेंट्स और उनके पेरेंट्स और उनके पेरेंट्स सारे सभी यहीं के थे, इसीलिए मैं पूरी तरह से यहाँ का हूँ, अमेरिकन हूँ, और मैं 37 ईयर्स का 37 साल का हूँ अभी, और पूरा स्वस्थ हूँ, और उम्मीद आशा करता होप करता हूँ कि मैं ऐसा ही मृत्यु, जब तक मेरी मौत ना आ जाए, मैं ऐसा ही परफेक्ट हेल्थ में रहूँगा. So we will do the next part, next few lines in the next video. Till then, bye.